We'll guide you through how to log out of WhatsApp on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to do this, we're going to guide you through this step by step. Now, it's important to note you watch this full guide because otherwise you may go miss an important part as we're explaining how this is going to go and work, as it does go and vary. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you can do is you can come into the chats on WhatsApp in the bottom left and then come to the top right and press the three dots. Go down and you can find the option for settings. Find the first option, which is account, and you can go and tap there. Now you can go and see I've got the option for log out. Now this is because this account is a linked account, so we can go and log it out. But if you don't have this option, don't worry. But I can go and press that there and press log out. And it's now logged out. Now, if you don't have that option there and you still want to go and log it out because you want to use another one, the only way you can do this is by deleting WhatsApp. So you can come and close WhatsApp. You'll need to then go and find it. And then what you can do is go and delete it. And after deleting it, you need to go and install WhatsApp again from the Play Store. And then when you open it up for the first time, you're going to be able to go and set it up again. And you can go and use a different WhatsApp number or account. And that'll be it. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.